Magandang araw mga ka-solo flight. Patapos na ng winter mga ka-solo flight. Part 6 to mga ka-solo flight ng winter season. Magpapabuno tayo ng ngipin ngayon mga ka-solo flight. Panoorin natin kung ano mangyayari ha.
Medication, allergies.
Change.
Yeah. So you're not on any medications, you have no allergies. Alright. This here. Or are you wanting to wear your jackets the whole time?
No, it's okay.
I'll have to take your blood pressure, so we might have to take a sleeve out.
Oh, okay.
All good.
No problem.
But you can put it back on too, that's totally fine. I'll just do that first then.
Only jacket?
Yeah, we'll pull up your sleeve.
Natatawa ako sa assistant mga ka-solo flight kasi hindi niya alam yung ipapagawa
Can
niya
you pull
sa
your sleeve
akin.
up?
So, doble kasi yung suot kong
Like that?
damit
I'll
tapos
be like, way up.
makapal pa.
Can I go further? No. Yeah, you might take your arm out of your sleeve.
You want to get a blood pressure?
Yeah.
Okay. Only one, this one.
Just that, yeah. Just that arm out of that sleeve, yeah. That's okay, I can come there if you have
Okay.
seats.
That's it?
Yeah.
Natatawa ako kasi parang gusto niya pa akong pagubarin.
Alright. Can you pull it up anymore?
No, it's very tight.
Okay, then can you pull your arm out of your sleeve? Can you take it out? Or pull it down?
Put it down?
Yeah. Is it thick?
Yeah.
We can give that a try. That'll be too thick. Can you take that out of your, like, take it off?
Put it up?
Yeah, you can pull just your sleeve out if you want.
Maybe it's okay. Okay.
I'll give it a
Yeah.
try.
Kukuhanan niya kasi ako ng blood pressure.
Almost there, it's so close. There we go. Right, look at that.
Ayun, natsambahan niya din.
Yeah, relax your arm.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Alright. It worked, so that's good.
Yeah. But
Alright, you can put your sleeve down. Alright, so today we are extracting that tooth on the upper right side from the
yeah,
back.
yeah, right.
And then we're sending your denture in to add a tooth.
Actually, I want to remove the schedule or cancel for now. The
The adjustment on the partial?
for the yes
Okay.
for the denture.
Okay. Alright, I'll have to go before we get
Yeah.
started here.
Yung pustiso ko kasi ipapa-repair sana. Pero hindi ko muna pinatuloy.
Alright. So
Kasi
you
wala
don't want
pa
to add
akong
the tooth
budget.
to the partial?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe we will schedule it,
$590
next month.
Okay.
kasi yung
So you don't
charge
want to give up
nila
your partial for a week?
sa repair
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
pustiso kaya hindi
For next
muna ako
month.
You want
pumayag.
to do it next month? Okay, because if we send it in today, we might be able to get it back in a week.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Kung
you want,
sa
you want to send your
peso,
partial in to
No, no.
Nasa 24,000.
We'll get you to put it in here just for this
24,000 pesos.
appointment.
Grabe ang mahal.
There we go. Alright, I'm gonna get you to rinse your mouth with this. Don't swallow it. It's an antibacterial rinse. Just making sure nothing can get into the extraction site, okay?
I will.
Swish it around and then spit it out. Don't swallow it.
Grabe, pinagmumuga ko ng purong Listerine.
Yeah, you can spit it out here. There you go.
Maluha-luha yung mata ko.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
No problem. Alright. Alright, I'll just put this on you here.
Okay.
Can you lean forward a little bit? Alright, you're good. Alright, and then I'll give you these to wear just so nothing splashes. Alright, then you're good to get started to pull that tooth though.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Alright, somebody will place numbing jelly and then we'll get started, okay?
Eto na mga ka-solo flight. Kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan ng bida mga ka-solo flight. Ayan na. Lalagyan niya na ako ng konting
Alright, we're gonna throw
pampamanhid
some and go?
para tuturukan na kasi ng karayon hindi ko masyadong mararamdaman.
You can close and just gonna sit there for a little bit, okay?
Ayan na si Doktor, mga ka-solo flight.
So we're here to take out this one tooth,
Titirahin
okay?
niya na yung ngipin ko.
All right. Now, but we did have you scheduled for scanning, which you don't want to do, okay? So just next time if you change, let us know ahead of time because we've set up for all that, okay? So we're gonna take out that one tooth, okay?
Kinakausap niya ako, tinatanong niya ako, may nakalagay sa bibig ko, paano ko makakapagsalita? Ayan no, kung malunok ko yan.
And close.
You're okay? Odell?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ayan na, nako. Kukunin na yung karayon, ituturok na sa bibig ko. Ang sakit niyan siguro. First time ko kasi magpabunot ng ngipin dito sa Canada, syempre. Nako, ayan na, inabot na mga kasolo flight.
Start
Ayan
with some
na, ayan
freezing
na.
now, okay?
Tatlong turok yan mga kasolo flight. Isa sa gilid, isa sa kabilang gilid, saka isa sa pinakabutas.
Doing okay? That shouldn't open.
Ayan, nako. Ayan, ayan. Ang sakit. Mga kasolo flight. Ayan, nako.
Open it there.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Sa may
Turn
butas,
towards
mga
me.
kasolo flight. Yan yung
Big
masakit.
push here.
Narinig
sorry,
niyo ba?
that pinches.
Nag-react
Are you
ako
okay?
mga kasolo flight. Napa.
Yeah? Okay, I'll let that freeze up and I'll be back, okay?
Would you like a rinse?
Ayan, kung makikita niyo mga kasolo flight, yung ginagawa ng babae. Binubugahan niya ng tubig tapos sinisip-sip na lang. Hindi na wala nang mumug-mumug kagaya sa
We'll give you a few minutes.
sa Pilipinas
your-
dati.
you want
Siguro
to talk a little
dyan din sa Pilipinas, baka iba na rin.
That's good.
Good. Thank you.
No problem. Have you eaten today?
Later.
A little bit?
Ayan, so hihintayin natin mga ilang minuto mga kasolo flight hanggang sa umepekto na yung pampamanhid. So ito na mga kasolo flight, pabalik na si doktor. Ayan na, naku, panood tayo mga kasolo flight ha. Kaya yung mga ngipin nyo, ingatan nyo nang hindi kayo mapares.
No? Yeah?
Good. Good.
Yeah?
Hindi kayo matulad sa akin. Naku, sakit yan mga kasolo flight. Alagaan nyo yung ngipin nyo. Asakit na. Magastos pa. Kaya alagaan nyo talaga yung ngipin nyo mga kasolo flight.
Let's go with that first. Yeah?
Ayan na. Kinuha na yung flies. Ayan, ayan. Nako. Ayan. Nako mga kasolo flight. Ayan na, ayan na. Inuuga-uga niya na. Alam nyo ba, nararamdaman ko, nababasag yung ngipin ko mga kasolo flight habang pinipiga niya ganyan. Siya nga pala yung binubunot sa akin mga kasolo flight. Ano yan? Bagang. Sa may bandang itaas. Sa may gawing kanan. So, matibay pa yung ngipin ko mga kasolo flight. Hindi niya makuha.
Doing okay?
Hindi niya makuha sa isang pilipit. Kaya sinusundot-sundot niya, inuuga-uga niya pa mga kasolo flight. Ayan, mga kasolo flight, panoorin nyo. Medyo natatakot lang ako kasi yung hawak-hawak niya nun, baka sumundot sa mukha ko. Ayan, nakuha na mga kasolo flight. O, tingnan nyo, ayan. Nakita nyo? Ayan yung ngipin, ayan. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan. So, ayun, nakuha na. Tinignan ni doktor kung buo ba yung ngipin. Ayan, chinecheck niya kasi nabasag.
Okay.
Ayan. So, hinahanap niya. Kakalikutin niya yan ulit mga kasolo flight. Natatakot lang ako dun sa isang pangsundot niya. Yung parang
Okay,
ano.
please. Thank you.
Ayan, yung matulis niya. Natatakot ako kasi baka tumusok sa mukha ko, lumabas sa ilong ko, o kaya sa mata ko. Kasi masyadong madiin yung pagkakakalikot niya. Pero hindi naman masakit mga kasolo flight. Kasi namamanhid na siya. So, magaang yung kamay niya mga kasolo flight. Magaling siyang dentista. Magaling siya. Ayan, maya-maya makukuha na niya yan. Makukuha niya na yung naiwan kasi may naiwan mga kasolo flight. Kaya sinusungkit niya pa eh. Nabasag kasi yung ngipin ko kaya pinukuha niya pa yung kaperaso na iwan. Parang mas kinakabahan pa nga yung assistant niya, yung babae. Kasi parang natatakot pa siya kanina kung hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. Ayan. Gusto niya nang agawin yung vacuum kay doktor. Kinuha niya na. Kasi siya yung taga-siksik ng dugo eh. Ayan na, makukuha na ni doktor. Kinuha na niya yung pang-chani niya. Yung cooler niya.
Thank you.
Ayan, medyo nahihirapan pa rin si doktor na na kunin yung natira, kaya yung sugat ng pinagbunutan sa akin, ang laki ng butas. Nung kinapa ko ng daliri ko yung butas, pumasok yung daliri ko eh. Alam nyo kung nung daliri pumasok, yung hinlalaki pumasok sa loob ng butas. Ayan, kasi ang naiwan doon sa ngipin ko, yung pinaka-root niya, yung pinaka-puno, ang naiwan doon sa ilalim. Ayan, sinusungkit niya na ng screwdriver niya. Yan ako natatakot eh, kasi baka masaksak ako ng screwdriver niya, tumago sa mata ko o kaya sa ilong. Ayan, natatakot ako dyan. Naririnig ko pa nga, dumadaplis yung hawak-hawak niya. Ayan, yung matulis na yan. Sumasablay sa pagsungkit niya. Naririnig ko yung ngipin ko. Parang nadudurog sa loob. Pero ayan na, makukuha niya na yan. At least successful siya. Nakuha niya yung natira. Ayan na, mga ka-solo flight. Medyo nadali niya na. Ayan na, tingnan niyo. Iaangat niya yan. Ayan, si Dr. Harjot Sadhu. Ayan na, mga ka-solo flight. Nakuha niya na.
Doing okay? Okay. So we're all
Indian
done here,
yan,
okay?
mga ka-solo
Everything
flight.
went well?
Doktor na yan.
Isabel's gonna give you the instructions, okay? Take care, okay?
Alright, split you open nice and big. And then you can close. Good. Okay. I'll sit you up. You can stay there. You're good. Just relax, okay? Alright, so you're gonna be numb for 2 to 4 hours, okay? You can take the glasses off. I can take it off. Alright, so yeah, you're gonna be numb for 2 to 4 hours, so don't burn yourself, don't bite yourself, okay? We also recommend that you, for today, if you do eat anything, it's lukewarm to cool foods. The heat can cause it to bleed more, okay? You can eat on the other side, or you can eat soft foods, okay? We're gonna get you to bite on that gauze for an hour, okay? You can change it out every 20 minutes for the next
Ayan,
hour.
binibigyan niya ako
Because
ng
the saliva gets
instruction,
stuck to
mga
it,
ka-solo
okay?
flight.
And then it doesn't soak up
Doon
in
sa
the
gagawin ko
Every
daw
20 minutes,
pagka habang
you want to
nagpapagaling
change it,
ng ngipin.
okay?
Anong bunot.
We're gonna
Binabasa
rinse
niya,
your
mga
mouth for
ka-solo
24
flight.
hours,
Bago
okay?
pa nga siya.
Don't rinse
Bago
it
pa nga
today.
lang
Just
siya
you eat and then
na-assistant.
just go sleep, okay? Don't brush your teeth today.
How about I have a cleaning later?
Today?
Yeah, a cleaning.
Oh, that'll be okay. Yeah, they'll know, I think.
I think it's 2 p.m., 1:30 this afternoon.
Looks like 1:30, yeah.
Yeah. Is it okay?
I think so, yeah. I can double check, but yeah.
How about the numbness?
Oh, the numbness will be fine.
Will be
For the
fine.
appointment, that'll be.
It will not hurt you when they clean.
If it lasts that long. That'd be nice. Your bleeding should slow down, okay? If it starts gushing blood or gets more severe than what it is, let us know during the day today, and if it's in the evening, go to the ER, okay? So that's if it starts gushing blood. For children, it's not common. Do you smoke at all?
No.
Okay, perfect. Then don't start now. And don't use straws, okay?
Yeah.
For at least 24 hours, we recommend longer. It just helps. We want to keep that blood clot there right now. If it comes out because you're sucking on a straw, that suction can pull the blood clot out. And then you have dry socket, which is the bone touching air, and it's super painful, okay? So let's avoid that. No straws, no spitting for 24 hours, and no smoking, okay?
How about kissing? No, just
careful.
joking.
I don't know, I'd be careful, but it's probably fine. Yeah.
Can I wear my denture?
Yeah, so after 24 hours you can.
After
So today it'll disturb the area, it'll frustrate it, and
Yes.
probably cause more bleeding. So for sure for 24 hours, don't wear it. Tomorrow around this time you can put it back in. Just take get
Tomorrow?
up tomorrow, yeah, I think around this time, 10 o'clock.
For what?
You can put your partial back in.
For?
Your denture, you can put your denture
Ah,
in,
okay.
yeah. Tomorrow around this time. You won't put it in until then, okay? It just needs that 24 hours to kind of settle and relax, okay? There might be a little bit of swelling, a little bit of soreness, that's normal. You can do ice, 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Add a little Tylenol as needed. Then that you might, for the next few days, there might be some oozing of the blood, but it should be like dripping.
Only Tylenol? It's okay.
Yeah. And then just keep the area clean. We recommend saltwater rinses twice a day for a week at least, maybe longer. It'll just keep the area clean, help with the healing, and keep infection away, okay? So I would start that after the 24 hours. So tomorrow in the evening and then every other day twice a day, okay? Your gums are going to go from dark brown, or dark red to light pink as it heals, okay? So just make sure you keep an eye on that area, don't let anything, no food stay in there.
Yes, yes.
Any other questions? So I'll give you this. This is extra gauze to switch out every 3 minutes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
And then I'll give you your partial cleaner here. So this can go in after 24 hours.
Okay, yeah.
Not today though. Are you going back to work at all? No. Okay. So no heavy lifting. Just
Yeah.
relax for today. Okay. All right.
We're done?
Yeah. I'll take this for you first.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
We'll go this way.
Where's the way? Here?
You can have a seat and they'll call you up when they're ready. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Yeah?
How's your name? Rodell?
No, there.
Rodell. Awesome.
Alright, so my name is Lisa. It's nice to meet you. Today's appointment's just our cleaning appointment. So you're scheduled just to have a cleaning done, and also we'll do some measurements just to check the gum health, check the bone health, and that's part of today's treatment, so that's your charge, just the same.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any concerns coming in about your mouth or teeth? Or that sort of
Only I have a little pain.
Okay, is that, was it that
For the
discussed
extraction.
last time? Oh, for the
Yeah.
extraction, okay.
And also for the pasta, the peeling.
Mhm.
Peeling before last week, I think last week.
Yes, on the
I have a
top.
peeling upper left,
Yes.
yeah. It's sensitive, becomes sensitive, yeah.
Okay, so I'll mention that to the dentist today, and if needed, they can come in for an exam, just to see, so I'll let them know. And you're feeling some pain on the right side from the extraction?
Sorry?
You're feeling some pain on the right side from the extraction?
A little.
A little bit of pain? Okay, let me see. So I guess that was done this morning, eh? On the right side. Okay, so I was looking to see that you were here this morning as well?
Yeah.
You had it done, oh, okay, so all done today. I see.
The extraction.
Yes, yeah. Alright, thank you. I'm just gonna speak with the dentist, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Be right back. Since you have the extraction done on the top right side, we'll start the cleaning just on the lower teeth today, and we'll see how comfortable you are with doing the top teeth, but if not, we can always have you come back next time to have the top teeth.
Okay.
So that it's comfortable for you. okay?
Yes, that's good.
Yes, okay, so that's a good plan. Regarding the sensitivity on the molar on the top filling, sometimes it is a bit sensitive for some time, so we had it done a couple weeks ago, okay, so that was with Dr. Sandy, and she's not in today, she's on vacation, so I will ask another dentist to see, and is that just cold sensitivity? Cold or hot foods?
Cold and hot.
Cold and hot?
And sometimes a little bite,
Mhm.
sensitive.
Biting or hurts, hey, on that
Yeah,
side?
yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I spoke with the dentist today. You have this filling done with the dentist called Dr. Sandy. So she's currently on vacation and she'll be back soon, so early March. So then, for the pain, is it very severe pain on the tooth? Like, is it very painful?
No.
Okay. If it becomes more painful, you can call our office after today's appointment. So early March, then we can book you with her specifically just to have that checked out.
Okay,
And it
okay.
shouldn't be a charge because that one is just to kind of assess the tooth there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it gets worse, you can let us know. Alright, I'll put this down to the list. Okay. And then I'll give you these two today. Put those on.
Ayan, salamat nga pala sa Diyos dahil natapos yung pagpapabunot natin ng ngipin mga kasolo flight. So after 3 oras, lilinisin naman yung ngipin ko mga kasolo flight para isang sakita na lang. Biro mo, 51 years ngayon na ako magpapalinis ng ngipin. So medyo makapal yung tartar niya. Makapal yung dumi ng ngipin.
I'll get you to open. I'm just gonna take a look. So just using a little bit of water throughout the appointment just to help clean the instrument. I was told by the dentist since they did the extraction on the soft top side, when you use the suction today, you instead of closing around, just keep your mouth open and just kind of go like side to side.
Okay.
So I'll just do an example. I'll do a little bit of water in the mouth, so I'll get you to open. So say we do a bit of water like this, and with the suction it'll just be like just like that side to side, right? Just so that we don't close because we don't want to put pressure on that spot, okay? So then I'll give you the suction to hold on the left side here, and you can feel free to suction throughout the appointment. There you go. Perfect.
Ayan, so uumpisahan niya na mga kasolo flight. Wala siyang assistant kaya sa akin niya na pinahawak yung pinaka-vacuum nung pinaka-vacuum nung
The bottom.
I'm sorry?
Can you remove the bottom?
I'm thinking, let me see here. Is it uncomfortable?
Yeah.
It's not comfortable there?
How about you? It's okay to you?
Oh, for me it's okay.
Okay.
Is it okay if we leave it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because I don't want to expose that spot, right?
Ah,
So you
okay.
just had the extraction.
Okay.
And I'll just start with the lower front teeth, so I'll get you to open. Good.
Ayan, so ako yung gagamit ng vacuum mga kasolo flight, no? Iba-vacuum ko pagka may laway nang naiipon sa bibig ko or may dugo, iba-vacuum ko yan, ayan. So, depende na sa akin yun kung ano, kung nararamdaman ko may dugo na o may tubig, may laway sa bibig ko, ako taga-vacuum, ayan. Ako nagtutubo na. Medyo masakit din pala magpa-cleaning ng ngipin kasi kinakayod-kayod pala yung ngipin nyo. So, minsan madiin, minsan hindi madiin. Saka ang lilinisin lang daw ng ngipin yung nasa ibaba, lahat ng ngipin ko sa baba. Kasi yung nasa taas yung binunukan sa akin, kaya sa baba lang daw muna, tapos babalik na lang daw ako next week pagka okay na daw yung sugat sa binunukan sa akin. Pero sa isip-isip ko, ayoko nang bumalik kasi masakit. Tapos hanggang ngayon nga, medyo nangingilo pa yung mga ngipin ko kasi napudpud yung mga ngipin ko, natanggal yung mga tartar. So yung mga tartar na yun, nagsusulo yung protection din sa ngipin ko yun. Sa mga init, sa lamig, kasi sobrang kapal na. Kaya siya tinatanggal kasi pangit tingnan. Kasi dumi yun eh, madumi siya. Yun yung minsan madilaw, minsan maitim, pangit tingnan. Isa-isa niyang ano yan, nililinis. Ayan, meron pa siyang monitor doon, kung makikita niyo mga ka-solar flight. Tinitingnan niya isa-isa yung meeting ko. Kung alin doon yung dapat linisin. Kasi in-x-ray yun mga ka-solar flight. Yung nakaraang linggo. So, nakasulat doon kung alin meeting yung lilinisin. So, halos lahat mga ka-solar flight nilinis niya, tinayod niya. Kaya, naku, sakit. Ayan, so marami nga siya nakuha sa akin, yung tartar na nakuha niya. Kasi iniipon niya doon, tapos pinakita niya sa akin na katunayan na nilinis niya. So, medyo natagalan kami dyan, medyo kami 1 oras yata na ganyan. Tapos alam po, hirap din siya kasi nangawit, matagal. So lahat yan pala mga ka-solo flight yung inabot ng costing o presyo dyan sa pagpapalinis, pagpapabunot, pagpapapasta ng ngipin natin. Inabot lahat yan ng $1,380 yun mga ka-solo flight. Ngayon kung kukwentahin mo naman yun sa peso times 40 or 42 yata, nasa 58,000 mga ka-solo flight. Ganun kalaki ang inabot. 58,000 pesos yun mga ka-solo flight. 58,000 pesos.
So you might feel a little bit of sensitivity to those surfaces because imagine that you have the tooth, right? And then whatever was covering it was taken off, so it's going to be a bit more sensitive, right? But I'll give you 2 pieces you can use open. That'll help with the sensitivity. And then the gums feel nicely. So there was a bit of bleeding today because there was a lot of that tartar built up on the tooth. So because that's been removed today, your gums will heal really nicely and there'll be less bleeding as well. But you can do a warm saltwater rinse at home. So you can do like a cup of warm water with a teaspoon of salt just to swish that around after brushing and flossing. And that'll help with the gum inflammation as well.
Okay.
Okay, so then we just did the bottom tooth today. There's just a couple spots on the top that we'll have to do. So we'll bring you back for another cleaning appointment, and that one we'll do the exam just to measure gum measurements, recession levels, just to finish that cleaning last time. So these are all X-rays that we took of your mouth. On the lower front teeth, so that's the very lower front teeth, you can see something called tartar. So we have the natural tooth here, the natural tooth, and then we have little spots coming out of the tooth here. So that's all been removed today with my instruments, right? So when that stays there, it can actually make this bone level go down over time. So because you had a tartar built up, so the bone level should be all over here, so it's dropped over time. That's why you have a little bit of that root exposed, right? But because we remove this today, this bone will stay where it is, and it won't go to anywhere, okay? And then of course we'll bring you back for cleaning equipment. I'll go over some spots here just to really make sure things are really clean, and then we'll do the top tooth as well. Some other areas on the lower right side, that's where you can see a big piece of tartar there, so spending a lot of time there, as well as the other tooth on the lower left. So this tooth was a bit sensitive on the lower left side, and we have some tartar built here too, and just here as well. So it does take quite a long time to remove, but when we bring you back, that'll be all done. So, and then of course the top tooth, this was taken out this morning, so we just have this one to clean around there, and then just a couple on the top. So just to see there's a big piece right there, so that'll take some time as well, okay? Do you have any questions at all? Okay, so bring you back to the next video.
Ayan, salamat sa Diyos, nakatapos na mga ka-solo flight. Wala na tayong
It was really nice to meet you.
problema sa ngipin natin mga ka-solo flight.
Just make sure you put the glass on.
Siya nga pala lahat ng gastos niyan mga ka-solo flight. Ang participation ko lang dyan ay $50 dun sa sinabi ko sa inyong total na 1,380 dahil sagot na ng insurance yon mga ka-solo flight, insurance ng kumpanya. Dito sa pinapasukan kong trabaho ngayon mga ka-solo flight. So malaking bawas na yon. Ito na yung araw mga ka-solo flight na hinihintay natin na ooperahan tayo mga ka-solo flight. Tatanggalin yung ating gallbladder o apdo sa Tagalog. So ngayon mga ka-solo flight, natapos na sa maikling oras, siguro mga 2 oras mga ka-solo flight na inoperahan tayo. So salamat sa Diyos dahil nakaraos tayo sa operasyon, no? Medyo masakit pa, medyo nahihilo pa ako sa mga oras na yan mga ka-solo flight. Hindi ko na na-videoan sa loob, syempre bawal dun sa operating room. Kaya dito na ako nakapag-video nung medyo nawala na yung pagka-groggy ko. Ayan mga ka-solo flight, yung binutas sa tiyan ko, hindi ko masyadong mapakita kasi nakahubad ako, nakakahiya. So bali yung butas sa katawan ko, 4 na butas yan. Yung isa dinaanan ng camera, yung isa dinaanan ng laser, tapos yung isa dun sa panggupit o pangputol ng bituka o ng laman sa loob, at taka yung isa yung sa may pusod. Dun lumalabas yung pang-sanction o parang vacuum yun. Dun hinihigop yung tinatanggal nila sa akin, yung mga nilabas nilang apdo mga ka-solo flight. Yung apdo siguro nadurog na yun kaya napagkasya nila doon. So salamat sa Diyos, salamat din sa dasal nyo sapagkat ako ay nakaraos na sa operasyon na to. So kailangan ko lang magpahinga ng mga 3 linggo. Pero ang paalam ko lang sa trabaho ko, 1 linggo lang. So after 1 week, simula sa araw na to, after 1 week, babalik na ako ng trabaho. Pero ang gagawin ko lang siguro sa trabaho, syempre yung pinakamagaang na trabaho lang. Hindi pa kasi ako po pwedeng magbuhat dahil makakasama sa akin dahil major yung operation ginawa sa akin. So hindi ako po pwedeng magpupwersa. Kaya kailangan na magpahinga rin. Ngayong linggo na to, kasamantalayin ko yung pagpapahinga sa yung pagpa-vlog. Pero may kaprasong video dito mga ka-solo flight na pangyayari sa akin na i-share ko sa inyo. Kagaya nito, ganito yung klase ng bato na meron ako pero hindi ko alam gaano siya karami, kung gaano siya kalalaki mga ka-solo flight, na po pwedeng maging lason sa katawan ko, po pwede rin maging bakterya mga ka-solo flight. Pero ganito ang itsura ng apdo. Nandiyan sa apdo yung mga bato nasa loob na bumabara na sa bituka ko, kaya kailangan na siyang buksan. So ayan yung pusod ko mga ka-solo flight. Diyan pinadaan sa pusod ko yung isa sa mga aparato. Ayan, dyan yung pusod mga ka-solo flight. Dyan yung aparato pinadaan, dyan pumasok. Diyan lumalabas yung apdo na hinihigop nila mga ka-solo flight. Yung mga dumi na kailangan nilang tanggalin. Tapos yung ibang mga butas dyan mga ka-solo flight. Nandun dun yung camera, nandun din yung pangputol. Ayan yung klase ng apdo mga ka-solo flight. Yan yung puputulin nila, yung kulay green na yan. Ayan yung green na nakikita niyo. Yan yung parte ng apdo na kailangang putulin, na ipapakita ko sa inyo na kung paano siya puputulin, kung paano ginawa doon sa loob ng aking tiyan mga ka-solo flight. No, ayan, yung sa pusod na yan, sa labas yan ng tiyan. So ayan yung pumasok yung aparato na yan. Tapos yung isang aparato, siya yung naglalak dun sa apdo para pag pinutol nila hindi kakalat sa loob o yung mga kailangang tumapon dun sa galing sa abdo, hindi tatapon, kailangan muna nilang ilak bago nila putulin. Ayan. Parang pusod ang proseso niya mga ka-solo flight. Ayan, dun sa isang butas, dun naman dadaan yung camera mga ka-solo flight. Ayan. Camera, yung pangputol, saka yung humihigop dun sa dumi, dun sa kinukuhan nilang abdo sa loob ng sa tiyan ng tao mga ka-solo flight. Yung isang aparato dyan, siya yung naglalak, siya yung nagtatali sa bituka bago putulin. Saka yan palang nakikita nyo na nasa babang parte na picture mga ka-solo flight. Hindi po pwedeng video yung ibigay nila sa akin, picture lang yung binigay nila sa akin kung paano nangyari. Yung abdo kasi may dalawa siyang puno, may dalawa siyang sanga na kailangang putulin mga ka-solo flight. So ayan, yung pangalawa pinutol na nila, tapos may pinasok silang bagay, hindi ko alam kung yung bagay na pinasok nila na yun dun sa naiwan mga ka-solo flight sa loob ng katawan ko bago isasara nila yung mga ka-solo flight. Saka hindi na rin ako nakakuha ng picture ng abdo o ng bato na nakuha nila sa akin kasi itinapo na daw nila, hindi daw nila alam na gusto kong makita, kaya itinapo na nila. Ayan, yan na yung abdo mga ka-solo flight na natatanggalin na nila, no? Hindi natin alam gaano kalaki yan, na ngayon ipapasok nila dun sa parang may basurahan o pang salo, pang kuha. Ayan, pinasok nila dyan, tapos siyang ilalabas sa pusod natin mga ka-solo flight. Ayan, so ayan mga ka-solo flight, medyo tumubo na yung sa may pusod kasi napupwersa pag umuubo. So salamat muli mga ka-solo flight. Siya nga pala mga ka-solo flight, update ko kayo dito sa halo-halo nating ginawa nung nakaraan. So napanood nila ng mga kamag-anak natin sa Pasig, lalo na ng tatay, saka mga ate mga ka-solo flight.
Dahil magpadala ka naman ng ganyan, bigyan mo ako ng pambili. Narinig niya yun? Tinatakot mo lang kami. Dahil,
Live ba yan? Hindi, video.
hindi niya naririnig.
Narinig ko tay, sa araw din na yan, kaya ayan, nagpadala ko sa inyo ng pambili ng halo-halo. Ayan, hindi lang galing dito yung halo-halo. Bumili na lang kayo dyan sa tabi-tabi dyan. So sana ma-enjoy nyo yung halo-halo. Tamang-tama, tag-init dyan sa Pilipinas ngayon. Sige, kamusta na lang sa inyong lahat. Enjoy! So muli, maraming salamat mga ka-solo flight sa inyong panonood. Pa-subscribe na lang, saka pa-share ng video natin. Ayan yung halo-halo natin noong nakaraang vlog natin. So maraming salamat muli sa inyo mga ka-solo flight. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung mga videos natin. Salamat. God bless.